Hello everyone and welcome back to my final Marine Report analysis video with me, Rich Pro-Market Analyst at Attic Markets on Monday 3rd of July. Looking at gold, and gold's broken down. I've sort of drawn in this downtrend now because gold is sort of, or has been putting pressure on the 1240 pivot for last couple of weeks really, consistently putting some pressure on that support, but now it seems to be decisively having broken down. Momentum indicators negatively configured, RSI, MACD lines and stochastics all falling away in negative territory. And a break below 1240 opens is 1216. I say 1216 because that is an old sort of element of a pivot around 1216. There was a low at 1213.80. I'll get my crosshair on it. 1213.80 being that key support from May, but generally speaking this is a pivot around 1216, so I think we are open to that now. Very slight support, you could argue, around sort of 1225 area. Bit of a sort of arguably a pivot around there, but nothing really. I mean, to be honest, there's not a great deal of support now. If we do see a close below 1240, there's not a great deal of support until we get back towards that pivot. And it seems as though the moves in today's market, where the market has consistently traded below 1240 all day, I don't really see that 1240 is now an issue. I think a close below that is like it will be seen. So you'd look for selling into strength. 1240 now becomes a base of resistance. So any sort of rally back towards 1240, I think, is a chance to sell. But you're sort of looking at sort of lower highs, lower lows, whereby sort of rallies get sold into at lower levels. You've got the hourly RSI sort of failing in the 50s towards the 60 area now. Perhaps even, well, I mean today, for example, even around the 40 level has struggled. So any unwinding move on this to sort of drag this RSI on the hourly chart higher would be seen as a selling opportunity. Now you've got that downtrend. Currently comes in around 1247, so there is room for a bit of an unwind, but certainly it looks like there is further downside potential on that RSI, and sort of a move back towards 1216 seems to now be on the cards. So I wish you good luck in the trade, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.